Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to change the Wattpad font. All right. So first up, go ahead and open up Wattpad. Now, once you're in here, go ahead and select a story. For example, this one. All right. Wait for it to load. And what we're going to do next is just tap on read. Okay. Now in here, as you can see here, we have the default font. Okay. Now to be able to change it, just go ahead and tap on the blank space. Now these tabs will open. Just go ahead and tap on the font option. All right. Just tap on it. And here we have the font. All right. Just tap on it. And here we have 4 options: serif, sans serif, source sans pro, and monospace. When I tap on one, for example, this one, monospace, as you can see, is now changed. Now tapping on more settings right here, as you can see, we have the screen orientation, inline comments, status bar, volume key, and the reading mode as well. That's basically how you do it. All right. If you want to make it bigger, just tap on the plus sign right here. All right. To make it bigger. If you want to make it smaller, just tap on minus right here. All right. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.